Silver Riley stumbling in, just gone 10 minutes away from 9 o'clock here on Iwi FM, the voice of Hauraki. As promised, Rehana, we are going to be doing...
Tonight, Matthew, we are Eddie Lovette singing Sweet Sensation. I can feel the thrill all over.
Now I feel the pain taking over since you said goodbye. Oh, that sweet sensation.
Ooh, harmonize.
Oh, such strange devotion. I need your love and devotion, and I
Can't forget your charm. This is G-Break.
now I know I would come be your true girl. So wrong. Now I know if you really love me, please come home, girl. Come home.
Everyone,
I love you so. Oh, that sweet sensation. Oh, such strange devotion. I need your love and devotion.
oh my God.
And I can't forget your charm.
Everyone,
Oh,
jokes.
Oh,
Catch your breath,
thanks
everyone.
for me
Catch
too,
your breath. Here we go. Everyone, high note.
oh, that sweet sensation. Oh, such strange devotion. I need your love and devotion. And I can't forget your charm. Oh, that sweet sensation.
Hit the note, bro. Here we go.
Oh, such strange devotion.
That's pretty high.
I need your love and devotion, and I can't forget your charm.
Ah. You know, when you think of that song, well, what does that remind you of? Where does that take you? Does it take you to the garage?
Takes me to fun times, right? Singing along.
Takes me to my Auntie Lana's house. Reminds me of my Auntie Lana's house. This one does too.
Oh, this one does too. There we go. Bit of a Waiata Wenerei. Good to have it back. Mōrena,
Oh,
ngāreta
morena
skipa.
ngareta.
Yeah, neat, all right. News and sports on the way, 9 o'clock. Here on the voice of Hauraki, Ko te reo Hauraki. Now, EBFM, it's 6 minutes away from 9 o'clock.